What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Gene That Nigga Forever. And I'm back with another reaction video. Play my intro. The title of this video is called Auntie Fee's Cooking Disaster. Now, before I get into this video, rest in peace, Auntie Fee. I thank you for the legacy that you left behind of all your funny videos. I remember I first stumbled upon you when I was on Facebook, like back in 2015, I think, or 16, around that time. And I was like, who is this funny lady? I had to subscribe to her YouTube channel that they made shortly afterwards, and then she passed away. It's just crazy. Like, you don't know when, you can be here today and gone tomorrow type of feel. So live every day like it's your last. Let's get into the video. Play the video.
Sensation who made her daytime TV debut right here on this show. Now, we didn't end up cooking nothing. Now, she can cook, but her relationship with her son, who films all of the stuff for the internet,
Travis,
gets in the way of what we're really supposed to be doing. And so,
he vexes me. He vexes me. Come on, go ahead. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm going to do the intro now.
All right.
This is how this goes. Please welcome back Auntie Fee and her son behind the camera, Travis. Okay, we're making something today. We're making your favorite dish. What is it?
Okay, you know whole cake bread? Well, that's what we're making. We're making whole cake bread. I got an apron, but I want you to wear the apron. I want you to get that white one. That white one for you. What you got?
oh shit.
You heard your mama, boy. Okay.
Oh, I wasn't ready.
Ready here?
Yes, ma'am.
Just like your mama used to do it right there. You brought that man on there for me, right?
I'm sorry, huh?
You brought that man for me, right? That was flour, y'all, just in case, okay? I think we all know that. Brought that man on that show for me, you remember?
Yes, ma'am. How much salt you putting in there?
Probably about 2 teaspoons. Steve,
Yeah.
you brought
What
that
is
man.
that?
This is baking powder.
Okay, how much of that you put in there?
About half a teaspoon. Steve, listen to me, okay? This is the oil. You remember when you told the people that boy was how old?
Yeah, I had a date for you.
I had 7 years on that sucker. What the I was gonna do with him, Steve? Milk.
Yes. Milk.
He said he was lean and mean and like a machine. You know, the only thing that was gorgeous on it was the shoes.
Yeah. He had nice shoes.
And the more milk. And I looked at the shoes on
Really?
it. But it was your fault. You better find me something else. I know that. You better find me something else. You better find me something else. You owe me another date.
Okay.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I'm talking about. That's
All
what
right, I
I'm
know
doing
this
now.
step right. I can hook you up.
Put them in the skillet here.
Oh, okay.
She just going.
Not nothing, because if you know how to make biscuits, all you have to do is follow your biscuit directions.
Yeah. Just.
Yeah, these ain't biscuits.
See, but you know one thing? I thought that this was going to have you where you get you a good man if you know how to fry bread, if you know how to make cornbread from scratch, anything. If you know how to make macaroni, anything you can make from scratch.
You thought that'd get you a man.
Damn. I tried to tell you.
Travis.
Could have been done. Told y'all.
I love Auntie Fee. Just going on. You like, what I did. She don't even care, no filter.
Hey, folks, listen. I want to thank y'all for tuning in to the daytime show that I used to have.
Yeah, that he used to have.
Appreciate y'all. Now, listen to me. Now, listen to me. No, I just want to say.
She got me itchy.
From the bottom of my heart, I want to thank NBC and all the people that believed in me when they first came up with this idea of me being on daytime TV. I knew it was going to be shaky when I started. I had an idea when they put me on daytime TV that I didn't know how long I was going to last. Well, I know today is it. Listen, I want to thank y'all for coming. Thank you very much. I love you. I've had a wonderful time.
Oh wow. Late night. Boy. We all knew damn well Auntie Fee could not keep her composure. It was like she was slipping. She's it had to come out. Like that's her personality. She don't care. She cares, but that's who she is. That's the person who she was back. But Auntie Fee, thank you for leaving so many funny videos of you just being you, the person you are. That's what made her special. Nobody was like Auntie Fee. If you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I do just more than reaction videos. I do cooking videos, mukbangs, vlog videos, and I have so much more to offer that I have in store. I'm just keeping it on lock, so you gotta subscribe to see and become part of the unexpected journey of GTN forever. You guys are my goddesses. Thank you guys. Bye y'all.